Here's a 2013 Audi A8L with the twin turbo V8. And I'm going to take off the cover from the engine so you can actually see the twin turbochargers. There's a sight to behold. Wow. Check out the heat shielding. I've only put 1,000 miles on this car. Take a look at the heat shielding. It's you can tell it's already been over 1,000 degrees. Look at how the turbos are tucked in there. Right into the valley of the engine, right into the V. That's amazing. That's incredible. Obviously, those are oil lines. Let's see. We have air intake lines. I understand that the fuel injection runs at about 2,000 psi on this direct injected engine. What a masterpiece. That's just incredible. I don't know if that's a wastegate or what this is. I wonder if I can turn up my turbo boost by adjusting this thing. Gee, that won't void my warranty in a $100,000 car. Oh, what a riot. Alrighty then. Oh, this car is fun.